Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool one right here, and basically what this is a durable chew toy that your pet can actually chew on. So if your dogs are really aggressive in terms of chewing stuff, so definitely getting one of these for your dog is actually a really awesome gift. They will actually love you a lot once you guys get one of these for them. And for this product, it comes in many different flavors. I believe they have like a peanut flavor, a chicken flavor, and then they have a bacon flavor, which is what we got right here. So I bring it up close. This is basically what the product looks like. So basically every time when they chew on this product right here, they can definitely taste the bacon flavor on here, which is pretty awesome. And for this product right here, they actually have it in many different sizes. So they definitely have it in like small, medium, large, and the list goes on. The one that we got right here is a medium, and they mentioned how it's actually perfect for dogs that are actually under 60 pounds. But definitely use it for bigger dogs as well that are over 60 pounds. But this is basically what the product looks like right here. Let me actually take it out and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. And they do have a logo right here, which is from the brand called Benebone. And I believe they actually make a lot of other products as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what else they have. But you see for the one that we got right here, it definitely looks like a high quality product. Even for the back part right here, if you can see. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out to see how it works and when actually it works. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so we got it right here. Let's see what the reaction is. Alright, so you see that they actually do like it. It's probably gonna take some time for them to actually go through the whole entire thing. But you see they are trying to actually eat it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now it's a quick test of the product, and definitely see that actually does work. And actually works quite well. If you can see, our pet definitely loves it a lot. So like I mentioned, if you guys have a pet or a dog that is very aggressive in terms of chewing stuff, definitely getting one of these right here will actually make them really happy. Since this product also has like the flavor on here as well. So not only are they getting like a chew toy, but they're also getting that flavor on here. So that way they can actually enjoy it as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not that's worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys know your dogs are actually super aggressive in terms of chewing stuff, then definitely getting one of these right here is actually super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.